Hey everybody, this is Kirk with an easy way to trade. Do me a favor, before you watch this video, hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when we do our other videos. Okay everybody, July 10th, 2022. Going to go through every single trade that we have taken from July 10th, 2022 all the way till present. I'm gonna scroll down through every trade. You can feel free to stop it. I'm not gonna go real slow because this will take some time. But you can feel free to stop it at any time and look at any trades. Every trade has a before and an after. Before, TP1. Trades go beyond this, that's potential pips. If it goes farther, that's potential pips. AJ went 20 pips. It went another few more pips. That's the potential pips you could have gotten. All right, now let's just keep going. All the wins and losses are here. We let them pop in. We're now into August. This is gonna take some time, guys. Let these pop in. Just pop in. All right. Again, I'm going through every trade. You feel free to stop the video at any point to see trades. It's kind of hard to go slow. I gotta scroll. There is no button at the bottom where you can advance it frame by frame. I gotta drag it. Everybody focuses on these signals right here, guys. 1,900 potential pips for the month, guys. Everybody focuses on the signals though, but you're missing the bigger picture. How to do this, how to do this, how to mark up charts with rejections, and you become the signal. Went up 20 pips before it reversed. All right, we're going to show you how to become your own signal. Here's one right here, quick, guys. When we say potential pips, trade up the AUD sale 30 pips and running. Well, G-Chef 32 pips and running. 20 pips was a win for both of these, so that means 10 more pips potential, 12 more pips potential. That's what we mean by potential pips. The trade is still running. We're in October now, guys. We got a long way to go. Every single trade that we have taken right here in this Discord group. If you were part of this Discord, the real Forex, as you see in the left-hand corner, you would have had these trades. Not one single losing month. No losing month. Should have made money. Net potential pips 606. Out of all these trades that won, they went 20 pips minus the losses. The net is the wins minus the losses. No losing months. November now, 2022. Again, feel free to stop this video at any given point to see trades. Every single trade that we have taken right here in this Discord channel. From July 10th until last week, this past week, which is in May of 2023. At the end of each week, we have a trade week update. I'm not understanding why we have to go through this to prove to people. However, people, they need proof. But people can't lie about things, but the numbers don't lie, guys. The numbers don't lie. Eight wins, 3 losses for that week, the week of December 4th through the 9th. Y'all, this is harder than it looks, keeping your mouse close to it without having it all over the place, going slow enough. Wait a minute, just discovered I can scroll with my finger on my roll button. Did not know that. Learn something new every day. I'm using my mouse, the little circle wheel, and scrolling down. Didn't think about that. So much easier. Every single trade from July 10th, 2022 to this past week, which is what, May 2023. Wow, yeah, this is so much easier. Net potential 221 pips. Potential. We're now in January, almost February of 2023. Every single trade. Again, potential. The trade went 20 pips for TP1, but it went 72 pips before it reversed. 72 pips before it reversed, guys. So that's an extra 52 pips. An extra 52 pips. That's how we get the net potential. We're now in April. We're getting there. Now, nobody can say, you know, where's the proof? Where are the results? Don't want to hear that anymore. We're in May. To the very last trade today at 9:16. We're in GBP USD right now for a buy. Right now at 9:16, guys. This is it right here. Now, I'm going to do it even a little bit better. We're going to go to the end of the week, end of the month, guys, and show you that. We even marked up, you know, at the end of the week, end of the month. Let me start from here. We started that in September. We started doing that in this channel now. In the charts, in the signal channel, we were doing it there weekly, but we decided to make a separate channel for it. So starting September, we marked up the end of the week, end of the month results. Just having a different channel here. Let's go through these. Total net potential pips 299. That was September. Okay, everything right here. We're very thorough, guys. Chartmaster Eric B is very, very thorough. He's a numbers person. You can't get past him on the numbers. He's very detailed. All the results. Everything right here, guys. So again, people lie, the numbers don't. You have just seen the proof of what we have been doing since July 10th, 2022, guys. July 10th, 2022 until right now. We're in GBP USD for a buy. Right now, every single trade has been shown and proven to you. out.